Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something huge, a real game changer for how businesses operate. We're talking about AI automation. We're going to break down how you can flip your operational costs on their head and turn them into a real engine for profit. So let's dive right in.
This quote really hits home for so many people. Just think about your own business for a second. Every single hour your team spends on those repetitive manual tasks, that's not just wasted time. It's lost money, it's missed opportunities, and it's a bottleneck that is literally holding your business back from growing. The real question is, what can we do about it?
So here's our game plan for today. First, we'll tackle the manual work dilemma. Then we'll look at the automation solution. After that, we'll see AI voice agents in action, which is really cool stuff. We'll talk about boosting your bottom line. And finally, we'll walk you through exactly how to get started.
All right, first up, the manual work dilemma. Let's peel back the layers and uncover the real and, often hidden costs of just doing things the way we've always done them.
The thing is, all these little issues create this vicious cycle. Leads go cold because your follow-up is slow. That directly hurts sales. Little typos in data entry lead to huge, costly mistakes down the line. All of this grinds your operations to a halt. Your best people are stuck doing boring work, and your customers get frustrated with delays. I mean, this is the very definition of burning cash.
But here's the good news. It really doesn't have to be this way. And that brings us right to our next section, the automation solution. It's all about finding a smarter way to work.
So what even is AI workflow automation? Well, simply put, it's using AI to take over all those repetitive tasks and smooth out your business processes. Think of it like building a digital workforce that works 24/7, freeing up your actual human team to focus on the stuff that really matters, the strategic work, the creative work. I mean, just look at this comparison. The difference is absolutely night and day. Your response time goes from hours, maybe even days, down to seconds. The effort goes from manual and tedious to just running on autopilot. You trade all that human error for incredibly high, consistent accuracy. And maybe the biggest one of all, your business is no longer a 9-to-5 operation. It's running 24/7, 365 days a year. Okay, let's get into a really specific example. We're going to zoom in on AI voice agents, a tool that can run critical pieces of your business all day and all night with zero supervision. So what can one of these agents actually do? Well, a lot. It can handle incredibly human-like phone calls to book appointments or qualify a new lead the very second they reach out. It can provide instant customer support day or night. It can send out all those follow-ups and reminders automatically. And here's the kicker. It syncs every single interaction with your CRM instantly. No more, I'll update that later. It's just done. And this isn't some complex, pie-in-the-sky technology. It is available right now. In fact, services like Nuracore specialize in building these custom AI agents for businesses just like yours. It's a done-for-you kind of thing, which means you get all the benefits without needing a whole team of tech experts in-house. This all sounds fantastic, right? But let's get down to brass tacks, to what really matters, the tangible business impact. It's time to talk about boosting your bottom line. Let's look at the numbers. Let's start with this powerful number from Nuracore's own client data. On average, their automations save teams more than 15 hours every single week. That's almost 2 full workdays. Just imagine for a second, what could your team accomplish with that time? Not just playing catch-up, but actually pushing the business forward. And when we zoom out, the potential is even crazier. Research shows that up to 70%, 70, of an employee's time can be freed up by automating those repetitive tasks. This is a massive, massive opportunity for optimizing your resources. It means your current team can handle way more work and higher value work without getting burned out. That directly boosts your profit per employee. And what about speed? How fast can you get this stuff up and running? Well, research from McKinsey found that no-code automation can slash development time by up to 90%. That means you can get these incredible cost-saving systems working for you in weeks, not months or years. You can adapt faster, and you see a return on your investment almost immediately. So let's just quickly summarize the impact here. You're looking at drastically reduced costs and way faster response times. Your team is freed up to do more important work. All of this leads to a much better customer experience. And as a huge bonus, you get way better data to make smarter business decisions. Okay, so you've seen the problem, you've seen the solution, and you've seen the results. So what's next? Let's break down how to actually get started with a simple 5-step path to automation.
It's honestly more straightforward than you might think. It usually starts with discovery, where you pinpoint the tasks that are wasting the most time. Then comes design, where you get a custom plan. Next is build. They create the workflows for you. Then you launch, and you go live without needing your own engineers. And finally, you optimize, where the system is constantly monitored and improved as your business grows. It's a direct path to getting results.
So I'll leave you with this one question to think about. Right now, what is the single manual task that is costing your business the most? The most time, the most money, the most growth? Because whatever the answer to that question is, that's the perfect place to start your automation journey.